I was shopping the other day looking for some of my favorite foods that I can have for breakfast or dinner, and I found the smoked mozzarella with artichokes and garlic chicken sausage. So refreshing. There's no beef, no pork. It's just chicken, avocado, garlic, and seasonings. So I think we'll try making them up and you can see how easy it is. So first we just take it out of the package. And what I like is, look at this. You have 2 packages, and each package has 2 packages that are sealed. Each package has 4 sausages. So with 2 of us, one side is just perfect. So I'll take my kitchen scissors and I'm going to cut right down the middle. Keep my seal there so that everything on the other side stays real nice and fresh. And these I'll put back in the refrigerator and keep them for another time. They also freeze really well. It has one of those packages where you can peel it from the corner, which makes it very easy to use. I really don't like using my kitchen scissors if I don't have to. It's usually pretty easy to peel them down. There's different ways that you can cook them. You can actually place them on a barbecue grill and cook them for about 5 minutes per side, or you can cook them in a pan on the stove. And for that, I just want to get them hot all the way through, get a little bit of that grill look to it. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. I'm going to just take these and just place them in a pan, kind of separate the space for them a little bit. You don't have to put oil or anything in the pan if you keep your heat more to medium. But if you're going to cook them a little bit faster, you'll want to put just maybe 1/4 cup of water in the bottom so that it won't burn, but it will kind of steam them a little bit. I'm going to put the lid on because things do cook a little bit faster with the lid. So the stove's starting to get warm, and I can tell because there's a little bit of steam built up on the top of the lid. That's one of the nice things about having glass lids with your pans and pots, is you can see a little bit better as to what's going on. Make sure it's not going to get burnt, and I'm going to turn them about 1/4 turn because I want all the sides to get completely evenly cooked. And then I'll put the lid back on. I can start to smell them more and more. So let's turn them again. You can see where the casing is starting to get lightly brown right along here. And that's exactly what we want. We don't want them burnt. We don't want them dried out. But we do want to cook more than the one side. Another way of cooking these is to brown them, and then to help make sure they're cooked all the way through, add just a little bit of water, just a little. So I have just under 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to carefully pour it in the corner of the pan here. It's just enough to kind of make some steam. So we'll cover it up and get the full effects of really cooking that sausage all the way through. These are already fully cooked, so it's not like when you buy pork sausage or beef sausage that you have to make sure it's all the way cooked through, or it could make you sick. But it does taste better when it's completely heated all the way through. The interesting thing about these sausages is it's chicken with real mozzarella cheese and garlic and artichokes. So you'll actually notice when I cut it that you can see the bits of cheese in the sausage, and it's really delicious. I'm going to try a bite though afterwards. I can't wait for dinner. All right, I think it's ready. Ooh, that's perfect. So let me get a plate and I'll take it over. You can see here the little bit of mozzarella cheese that's kind of poking its head through. It cuts really nicely. And then see here in the ends, you have your spices, you have your mozzarella cheese, you have your garlic, and it's all in a very tender casing. This is always so good. I kind of forget how delightful it is until I take a bite again. The flavors just blend really nicely. There's the perfect balance of herbs and spices, along with the garlic, the artichoke, the chicken, and the mozzarella cheese. Thank you for joining me. Try this product, see what you think of it, and give me your feedback. And I'll see you next time.